Hey, what's up? This is Sifu Cuddle, and for this Kung Fu combo, we're going to be moving from a block into a push, into a high strike, low strike, retreating and advancing all together. So, let's get to work. Alright, our first position, we'll start from feet together, and then I'm going to take a step away from my opponent. If my opponent is stepping in on this side, I'm going to step away with an anchor hand block. Okay, so cat stance position, keep the weight on the back leg, be ready to move with the front leg. So nice and simple, step back from here, I'm going to twist forward, strike through and press. Now raise the leg, punch to the eyes, drop this foot back, hit, and then advance back in. Okay, so even though we're not fully like stepping away to retreat, we're going to drop the leg back. What this does is it puts this hip, we get the waist rotation as well on this one. And we cut our footwork a little bit, so I'm able to evade a little bit, steal back before advancing back in. Again, we'll step, block, press, up, down, forward. Okay? Again, from here, block, press, up, down, forward. Nice thing is you're focusing on your balance as you do this. Okay? One last time. We have block, press, up, down, forward. Alright, driving in on each of those strikes. Practice this one. It's going to be involving a lot, keeping your right leg posted, and you want to make sure that you have solid strikes as you do it. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. And if you want to see the applications of these combinations, check out my Patreon. I'm going to go over a little bit more in depth on how these are actually applied to opponents in self-defense and in sparring contexts. Okay, so check it out, and I'll see you guys next time.
Bam! Fist with a faux hawk.